core system libraries failing because of the password filter DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. For professional-grade password filter maintenance, follow the diagnostic link in the description. This is the password filter, the Windows password filter library. It manages the unmanaged enforcement of password complexity policies, facilitating the secure data link for system authentication and account manifests. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. This error typically indicates corruption within the Windows system core. I recommend launching Command Prompt with administrative rights and running sfc/scan now to automatically replace missing or compromised files, such as password filter DLL. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered password filter component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism space /online space /cleanup image space /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Please use caution. Replacing password filter DLL manually often requires elevated permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your system architecture vulnerable to external exploits. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. Review options for improving responsiveness and system safety by consulting the repair resource linked below for password filter. If password filter is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.